I want a hint. Wow, light. चलिए.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video we are going to create this beautiful, simple yet glam look by using only drugstore product. So if you guys want to know that how I created this look by using only drugstore products, then keep watching. Okay, so the first step in the makeup is to apply moisturizer, under eye cream and the lip balm. It's totally up to you that you want to apply under eye cream or not, but I love using under eye cream on myself. So for that I have used the Mom's under eye cream for my under eyes, and I have used Patanjali aloe vera gel to moisturize my face, and for the lips I have used this Swiss Beauty Kiss Candy lip balm with olive oil. So yes, I have used these three products for nourishing my face. Now moving on to the primer, I own a single primer to be honest. So this one is that primer. It is Color Bar primer. So I'm going to use it wherever I have pores. Basically I have large pores around my nose, so I'm going to use this much amount only to cover my large pores. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to press as well as drag कि जो large pores हैं वो थोड़े से minimize हो जाए. Now moving on to the concealer, I'm going to use this L'Oreal concealer. It is in the shade 312 and I'm going to use it to cover my dark circles and wherever I have pigmentation. So I'm going to use only a little bit amount. I'm not going to do or I'm not going to make a triangle. Basically I have seen every face has a pigmentation on their forehead, so I'm going to apply a little more on my forehead now. So now I'm going to blend it with the help of Damp Beauty Blender. ओके, सो वाइल ब्लेंडिंग यू हैव टू सी कि जहाँ पे आपकी ब्लेंडिंग खत्म हुई है वहाँ पे कोई भी एक लाइन नहीं क्रिएट होनी चाहिए. Now moving on to the foundation, I'm going to mix these two babies here. This one is from Maybelline Super Stay. Like both are not my shades, that's why I'm mixing it. So the first one is 112 Natural Ivory, which is way too light for my skin tone, and the second one is 312 Golden, which is way too dark for my skin tone. You can easily see. Yes. So now I'm going to mix. What happened to me? So now I'm going to mix these two foundations. So I'm going to take one pump of the lighter foundation and the half pump of the dark foundation. Now I'm going to mix this, and the best way to apply the foundation is to put dot all over the face. और इससे क्या होगा, आप जो प्रोडक्ट है वो भी कम लगाओगे. एंड वी ऑल नो कि जितना लेस प्रोडक्ट लगाओ उतना अच्छा मेकअप फेस बनता है. इट टोटली डिपेंड्स कि आपके फेस को कितनी नीड है प्रोडक्ट की, बट फिर भी जितना कम प्रोडक्ट होता है उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है. एंड आई यूजुअली स्वेट अ लॉट upper lips on my upper lips. So I avoid using so much product on this area, क्योंकि जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा स्वेट आता है, बहुत ज़्यादा, वहाँ पे अपन को अवॉइड करना चाहिए. Why we make so much faces while doing makeup? Like when we are applying mascara, we always like, and when we are blending, we are like I am like, I don't know about you guys. And what I'm going to do, whatever is left, I'm going to take it on my neck. I think foundation थोड़ा सा dark हो गया है skin पे, so I'm going to take one pump of this light foundation, not one, half pump, and I'm going to do like this. And now I'm going to blend it all over my face. Okay, so now moving on to the concealer, I'm going to use this Insight concealer. It is in the shade LN10. So it is 2 shade light concealer for my skin tone, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do like this, and I want my face to look elongated. That's why I have done like this. Same I'm going to do here, and I'm just highlighting my highest point of my face. You have to keep one thing in your mind while using this inside concealer is it dries too quickly, so you have to be like चलो जल्दी से blend कर देते हैं. You have to be like this क्योंकि बहुत जल्दी dry हो जाता है. And one more thing you have to keep in mind is that while you are blending this inner corner concealer, सिर्फ नीचे की तरफ ही ब्लेंड नहीं करना है. जो भी कंसीलर इधर रह गया, इधर एक लाइन बन जाती है, तो यू हैव टू टेक और यू हैव टू ब्लेंड द कंसीलर above your eyes as well. So for the blush, I'm going to use this K Beauty blush. It is not a liquid blush, it is in the cream form, but I love using this blush so much, and it is in the shade Sweetheart Pink. So I have taken a pea size amount, as you can see here, and now I'm going to smile and apply it. And one more thing you have to keep in mind is that अगर आप अपना ब्लश इधर तक आ रहे हो, इधर तक लेके आ रहे हो, तो आप उसको कनेक्ट कर दो नोज से, या फिर आप अपना ब्लश इधर तक मत लेके आओ. सिर्फ जो अंडर आइज का इधर का रिफ्लेक्शन होता है ना, इधर तक ब्लश लेके आओ. लाइक ब्लेंड योर ब्रश और टेक योर ब्लश फ्रॉम हियर टिल हियर. ऐसा लगता है ब्लश लगाने के बाद मेकअप में ना जान आ जाती है. जिसको ब्लश पसंद है उसके लिए सिर्फ बोल रही हूँ मैं ये चीज़. एंड आई एम जस्ट ब्लेंडिंग. आई डोंट वांट कि जैसे जब फिंगर से ब्लेंड करते हैं तो इधर एक लाइन क्रिएट हो जाती है, एंड आई डोंट वांट दैट. सो इसलिए मैं बस नीचे से इसको ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ कि वो जो लाइन है वो रिमूव हो जाए. ओके, सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सेट दिस knot. I am going to set my under eyes with the help of K Beauty loose powder. So first what I am going to do is I am going to remove my crease lines, then only we can set out. I am going to use this type of sponge. I have already used it, so please ignore it. So now I am going to set it. And one more thing you have to keep in mind while using this or while setting your under eyes कि अगर आपने blush लगाया है तो आपका जो लूज पाउडर है वो नीचे की तरफ नहीं आए, क्योंकि अगर वो नीचे की तरफ आएगा तो वो जो ब्लश का पिगमेंटेशन है, ब्लश का पिगमेंटेशन व्हाट आई मीन इज कि पिंक ब्लश है उस पर लूज पाउडर नहीं लगाना है अपन को, नहीं तो उसका कलर डल हो जाएगा. सो सिर्फ मैं उसको अंडर आईज में ही यूज कर रही हूँ. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू द आईज, एंड फॉर दैट आई एम यूजिंग दिस मार्स पैलेट. बट बिफोर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू रिमूव माई lines from my eyelids as well. And what I'm going to do, crease line पे रख के blend कर रही हूँ, and when there is almost no product I'm going to take the brush upward. And while creating the eye look there shouldn't be any harsh line. Now I'm going to use brown shade only on my outer corner and on my crease line. I'm not going to take it upward or on my inner corner, just on the outer corner and on the crease line, and I'm blending it. Actually there are two methods of the blending. First one is the round motion. You can move your brush roundwards to blend your eyeshadows, or you can take your brush back and forth to blend your eyeshadow. What I want, darker, lighter, and then lighter. Usually we do like this only. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the shade which we have taken first, and I'm going to apply it on the middle. So that brown, the shade of pink, and now I'm going to apply the glitter. I'm going to apply pink glitter which we have in the palette. We have brown glitter as well, so I'm going to apply that now. Now I'm going to do same on the under eyes. I have taken the brown shade and now I'm blending it. Now coming to the brows, I'm going to use this spoolie to comb my brows. And to be honest, मैं ब्राउज में बहुत ही रेयर कोई प्रोडक्ट लगाना पसंद करती हूँ. I love my brows as it is. Like I know इधर बहुत मतलब अगर मैं इधर से कंपेयर करूँ तो लाइट है, but I love in this way only. So for the brows I'm not going to apply any product. I have a habit of applying blush first. So for that I'm going to use this Sugar Contour and Highlight palette. So first I'm going to apply the blush. As we have already applied the liquid, or we can say the cream blush, so I'm not going to apply it too much. Just I want a hint. Wow, light chali gayi. Okay, so we are back after half an hour and we were applying blush. So yes, I have already completed the application and blending of the blush, and what I have done is I have used a little amount of the blush because we have already applied the cream blush, that K-Beauty one. That's why. Now moving on to the contour, I'm using the same palette from Sugar, and I'm just contouring my forehead and my jawline. And now in these days I don't love applying contour here. And now for the highlighter I'm going to use my fingers and just tapping it. I don't want so much highlighter, that's why I'm using my fingers. Now moving on to the mascara, I'm going to use Mars mascara, and it has two sides. The step 1 is length and the step 2 is the volume, which is great thing. Like इतने budget में इतना अच्छा mascara is just wow. Now get ready to see the magic. So the step 1 is done and you can already see the magic. And now coming to the step 2, I'm just cleaning the extra product. Now can you see the difference? So for the under eyes I'm going with the first step only, which is length. So for the lipstick I'm going with the Love Earth lipstick in the shade Pink Leda. Those of you who have watched my previous video knows that how much I love Love Earth lipsticks. So I'm going to apply it. This shade is too dark for today's look, so I'm going to mix this lipstick from Maybelline Superstay in the shade Seductress. Let's see. Okay, so I have mixed this lipstick also. This one is from Maybelline Superstay in the shade Versatile. Actually this look is going towards the peach side and this lipstick is also towards the peach side. So I think that I should mix this lipstick. And for the setting spray I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. So this is it for today's video. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. So please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any notification regarding my videos. And yes, I post shorts on each and every day. And yes, bye bye, take care and subscribe for more videos.